Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is PompeyFX. I hope you guys had an amazing trading week. Welcome back to our weekly Forex Outlook, where we go over the markets and look for potential opportunities for the coming week, and also go over the trades that we took in the previous week. Last week was like one of the most trying weeks I've had in a while, and some of all these things is easier for me to show you guys than to talk about it. So that's what I'm going to do in a moment. But what happened was, I don't know, I heard there's going to be, I don't know if it's Trump's inauguration tomorrow, so some of the pairs were just going crazy, and it got me, like, it messed with my emotions. I was getting in and getting out of positions. Like, I didn't take bad trades. It's just the I wasn't like consistent with my risk. I was jumping out and jumping back in, and so it made me lose, a little bit more than I should have lost. My risk was managed, and I was able to come out not too bad. But with the level I'm trying to get to and the level that I'm currently am, it just seems like a rookie mistake, and it's something that I'm going to work very hard to not make throughout this year 2025. So I feel like I've done too much talking already, so without any further ado, let's get straight into the charts. So last week, the first trade I took was a trade on AUD USD, and it was a loss. But again, the trade was not a terrible trade. If you look over here closely, this market is in a downtrend. In fact, I still believe that this market is going to drop. The market is just, this was similar to what happened 2 weeks ago, where I don't know if it was on AED USD or AED card. I was trying to get short somewhere here, and the market just went to the previous resistance, rejected, and fell all the way to the downside. This time, this market has been making high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, equal high, lower low, and the market came over here at this level of previous support. Hold on. At this level of previous support that could potentially be used as resistance. So if I go over to the 4-hour time frame, this was where I took my trade. Or no, I got it on the 1-hour time frame. But on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that this is also this level of support was broken here. Strong support. There's 1, 2, 3. Market broke below and came back here to reject. Over to the 1-hour time frame where I took my trade. You come here, you see this clean double top, break of the neckline, close here. I entered here, stop loss above, take profit below. Like, this is my textbook strategy. This is exactly what I trade, and this trade didn't work out. So this was the first trade I took, and I lost this trade. Now, I think the craziness started happening after this trade. I took this trade on Tuesday, yes. Then on Wednesday, I got into 2 trades. I got into a trade on NZD card and a trade on USD CHF. Now, the whole concept is the same. If you look even on this time frame, you can see the strong downtrend: high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, looking for a lower low. Now, where was my entry? Already on the 4-hour time frame, the market had made a lower low, came back into its level of resistance, gave us this shooting star and bearish engulfing. This was where I had my first position. I entered here, stop loss above this level, take profit down. Now, the market came, put me in a little bit of profit, came back up into somewhere within this blue candle. I felt like it was going to continue heading higher. This is where the whole charade starts to happen, and this is why I say it was one of the most trying times recently for me. I felt like I was going to continue going higher, so I exited the position here. The very next candle, boom, big bearish engulfing, making this a double top. Now, I didn't just jump in. If I go over to the 1 hour time frame, Remember, I had closed the previous trade in a loss, not much, like a $60 loss. I was risking $100 on the trade. Now, this bearish engulfing candlestick came here on the 1 hour time frame. It made this left head, right shoulder. Break and close of this level, I took another entry here. Like, okay, that's where this position is, right here. Okay, this market is finally ready to drop, and the market went up and took me out. So if I had stuck to this one trade, because it was a good trade, there was no reason for me to close over here. And if I, like, there's just no reason. My stop loss was in an ideal place. Yes, I would have still taken a loss, but I would have taken just one loss. But because of that, I lost $100 on this one and $60 here. Now, I also took simultaneously took a trade on USD CHF side by side. I was trading with the idea, because when my NZD card was moving down, my USD card was moving up. I was like, okay, if the two trades, go the way they are moving, the USD card should push up and the NZD card should drop. So I was like monitoring two of them. I don't know why I was doing that, but they were moving similarly, and both of them were in trend. USD CHF was in an uptrend, clean uptrend, higher low, higher low, higher low. And after this rejection of this level, this bullish engulfing, I got in here. Now, mind you, this was not a bad concept, but my strategy would be to come on the lower time frame and look for a chart pattern. And if you look here, left head, right shoulder, that's why I have this blue bar over here. I would be waiting for this candle, like this market, to break above this bar before I typically get into a position. But because I was seeing the correlation between this and NZD card, I got into this trade, and as NZD card was pushing up, I closed NZD card and I closed this one, because this the market also came down here. Okay, so I closed this one too in a small loss. I think it was like a $30 loss. I'll drop the screenshot somewhere here on the screen. So I closed both of them, and then I also opened both of them again. NZD card went ahead to hit my stop loss, but I was smarter trading this time to wait for my confluences before I get in, because I waited for this blue bar to get taken out before I entered this market again. So I entered here, stop loss below, target above. Now I haven't really looked at the news for next week, but I think I heard there will be, I think on Monday is when Trump will be inaugurated, or correct me if I'm wrong, but so there's going to be a significant volatility in the market if that happens. So, but I'm prepared to hold this trade, whether I hit my stop loss or my take profits. So I'm just going to be watching or managing this position next week. I've done everything I'm supposed to do, so I'm just going to letting the market to do what it wants to do. So for this week, okay, last week I missed a trade on NZD USD. I missed a short on NZD USD. Same concept as the one on NZD card, lower low, lower high, and on the 1 hour time frame, you could see the left head, right shoulder, break of neckline. This was where my entry would have come, stop loss above the highest shoulder, take profit below. This market will still be running if I got in, but we missed it. So let's go over the pairs for this coming week. On my list here, I have card CHF. I'm bearish on card CHF. I've been looking for, after this rejection that card CHF had at this area here, I was anticipating a retest of this level before dropping to the downside. That was on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, it made this sort of left head, right shoulder and broke below this level of support, but it never gave me the significant pullback I was looking for last week. So this week, I'm just going to be anticipating that the market pulls back into this level over here, gives us rejection. Now look for shows to the downside. So I'm bearish on card CHF and card JPY. I mean GBP CHF. This was a trade on GBP CHF that I missed last week. So let me take this off. This week, what I'm simply going to be expecting is I want this market to take out this level, retest, and look for sales to the downside. GBP CHF is bearish. I'm currently on the 4-hour time frame, but you can clearly see after this double top here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This is a potential lower high. So I'm waiting for the market to break below, give me a lower low, push up, lower high, and I sell to the downside. GBP card, I'm also bearish on GBP card. You can see I caught this trade here. I think like that was about 2 weeks ago. So this week I have my alert set over here. The EMA set is also over here. Wait for the market to pull back into this level, then we'll look for rejections from this level to continue the sell to the downside. Gold. I'm bullish on gold. I missed this entry last week. Not like I missed it, like I was waiting for it on the 1-hour time frame. I didn't really give you the chart pattern I wanted to see. So this was like during Asian session. I wanted it to like give me a break of this level. This was by 9 p.m. So it didn't really give me the entry I was looking for at the correct time zone, so I left it. But this week I'm going to be anticipating market pullback to this level of previous resistance that we used as support to push to the upside. Next on my list is USD card. USD card has finally broken out of this resistance, out of this range. So we're going to be anticipating that the market pulls back. Let's see if there are any levels. Okay, and go also weekly time frame. Look at the levels to the upside. Okay, knock off this level. So once we're anticipating the markets breakout, pull back, then if we look for longs at least to this level to the upside. The market ranged for quite a while since December last year, and now we are finally broken out. So we're just going to be anticipating the market to pull back into this level, give us rejections, or look for buys to the upside. NZD card. I was looking for bearish opportunities somewhere here. I think it was 2 weeks ago. The market failed to give me. Now the market is heading all the way higher. So what I'm going to wait for this week, I'm still bearish until the market will come and break above this level over here before we'll be looking for bullish opportunities. If the market doesn't do that, wait for the market to push into this level, give us rejection or some sort of change in direction, then we'll look for sales to the downside. My pairs are not really much for this coming week. Euro card, same thing. I'm bearish on Euro card, and the market is currently heading to the resistance level. So I'm just going to wait for the market to give us like rejection over at this level. Then we'll look for sales to the downside. Now the final pair on my list is Euro USD. I'm bearish on Euro USD. The market broke this level of resistance, came to reject from this level, but came up to this previous resistance, and now has found this level, this left head and right shoulder. So this week I'm just going to wait for the market to break below this level, retest, reject, so look for sales all the way to the downside. That's my analysis for Euro USD. Let's go over to the indices and oil. Now, US oil. Let me move over to the higher time frame. I'm currently, wow, this is a really strong rejection off of this weekly level of resistance. Really strong shooting star candle formation. Let me also look at the monthly time frame. Go back to the daily time frame. I've already looked at this. This on the daily time frame is looking bullish. On the weekly time frame, that's a really strong weekly rejection off of this level. So we're going to be monitoring this level really closely. Let me go back to the 4 hour time frame to look. Okay, on the 4 hour time frame, you can also see this left head, right shoulder. If this market is able to break and close below this level, we'll be looking for a retest and sells at least to this level, or possibly even down to this level. So we're going to be monitoring US oil at this current level over here. I'm watching to see what price does at this level. If price is able to reject from this level, we'll be going all the way to the upside. But if price is able to, if price fails to reject from this level and break below, we'll be looking for a retest and rejection all the way to the downside. So right now we're at the 50-50 level. Let's go over to the next pair. S&P 500. S&P 500 rejected strongly off of this weekly. This is like a fake out. Okay, the market rejected here once, twice, 3 times. After like it had broken this level, but strongly broke above. So this is like a bullish reversal type of formation. But on the daily time frame, we're still having high, low, lower, high, lower, low. So I'm at least going to wait for the market to take out this level properly. Let's go back to the 4 hour time frame to see. Yes. Take out this level properly. We have this level over here. Okay, on the 4 hour time frame, going to be anticipating the market pull back into this level and look for buys to the upside. So I'm bullish on the S&P 500. This is going to be my setup for this coming week. NAS 100. Let's go over and look at the weekly time frame. We have the same thing happening. The market came to this level and made a strong fake out and bullish move to the upside. On the daily time frame, high, low, lower, high, lower, low. But let's look at the 4 hour time frame. The thing is, the weekly time frame has already given us like an expo of what's going to happen. So we're going to be going down to the other time frames to corroborate, the structure that we have, or the information that we are seeing on the weekly time frame. And you can see that the 4 hour time frame, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. The 4 hour structure has already broken into a bullish structure. So we're going to be looking at this level over here. For the markets to retest, reject before looking for buys to the upside. So I'm bullish on the NAS 100. I think we have a similar story on the US data. Yes, this level of structural of support the market came, made a fake out and pushed up. So going over to the daily time frame has shifted from bearish to bullish structure. I'll just draw it out for you guys briefly. High, low, lower high, lower low, higher high. So we're simply going to be looking for a higher low somewhere around here before looking for buys to the upside. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame to corroborate our theory. So you can see that the market was ranging in this level, in this point before. Over here, the market made a high, low, lower, high, lower, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high on the 4 hour time frame. So I'm just waiting for a pullback into this level, rejection, look for bias to the upside. So I'm bullish. In fact, on the indices, I feel like the US 30 should be the first pair that we'll be looking at, because it has the weekly, the daily, and the 4 hour in the same direction. The SPX and NAS 100 have the weekly bullish, but the daily on both of them are still looking towards the downside. So the US 30 is actually the strongest pair of the three. So let's go over to Bitcoin. Let's see Bitcoin. Bitcoin made a massive move on our forecast last week and last 2 weeks. We're actually looking at Bitcoin breaking below the neckline of this left head and right shoulder. Market came here, faked out over here, and came to this level of support, but gave us this strong level of bullish buying pressure and has pushed all the way to the upside. So right now we are actually bullish on the Bitcoin market. See this level of previous resistance that has been used as support, but for this coming week we're simply going to be waiting. If this market is able to push up for this level, simply be waiting. We'll be looking for buys, maybe for a break and retest of this level before looking for buys to the upside. Yeah, we're bullish on Bitcoin. The weekly time frame, yeah, the weekly time frame is bullish. The market failed to take out this strong level of support over here. If the market are taking out this level, we'll be looking at prices at 72,000. But the market came here and we found a lot of buyers at this level, this 90k level, and they have been able to push this market. Well, so the market is at this current point of the weekly time frame. Okay. This is, we're going to wait for the market to break and pull back above this level of resistance before looking for buyers to the upside. So the market can play within this level, can come back and test this area over here. But what we'll be looking for confirmation is breakout, pull back, retest, reject, and this is going to be our entry for the Bitcoin market. So that's going to be it for this, guys. Do also like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your trader friends and family. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and I'll do well to go over your questions and see how we can answer them and grow together. So guys, bye for now. Thanks for watching.